The universe is full of wonders. We humans, with our inquisitive minds, have always sought to understand it. Now we are on the verge of a new revolution powered by artificial intelligence. AI refers to the remarkable ability of machines to learn and solve problems, much like we do. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is rapidly changing the world around us. Imagine a future where machines can perform tasks that once required human intelligence. They could analyze complex data, recognize patterns, make decisions, and even learn from their mistakes. This is the promise of AI. It is about creating machines that can think, learn, and adapt, just like living beings. This technological leap has the potential to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives. It can enhance our capabilities and help us solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. But it also raises profound questions about the future of work, ethics, and even the nature of intelligence itself. As we delve deeper into the realm of AI, we embark on a journey into the unknown, a journey that promises both great opportunities and significant challenges. Let's explore the fascinating world of AI and its implications for our collective future. When we talk about AI, we often encounter two main types: narrow AI and general AI. Think of narrow AI as a specialist. It excels at specific tasks like playing chess or recommending songs. It learns from vast amounts of data and uses algorithms to make predictions and decisions within its area of expertise. General AI, on the other hand, is more like a universal learner. It would possess the ability to understand, learn, and perform any intellectual task that a human being can. While still largely in the realm of science fiction, general AI represents the ultimate goal of artificial intelligence research. The difference between these two types of AI lies in their scope and flexibility. Narrow AI is like a master craftsman, skilled in a particular trade. General AI, however, would be more like a Renaissance polymath, capable of mastering any field of knowledge. The development of both narrow and general AI presents exciting possibilities and challenges. While narrow AI continues to transform various industries, the pursuit of general AI pushes the boundaries of our understanding of intelligence itself. At the heart of AI lie several key components that enable machines to mimic and even surpass human intelligence. Machine learning, a fundamental aspect of AI, empowers computers to learn from data without explicit programming. It's like teaching a child by showing examples instead of giving strict instructions. Neural networks, inspired by the structure of the human brain, are complex interconnected systems that excel at pattern recognition. They power applications like facial recognition and language translation. Imagine a network of interconnected nodes, each processing information and passing it on, much like neurons in our brains. Natural language processing, another crucial component, enables machines to understand and communicate in human language. This technology allows us to interact with computers using our natural speech, bridging the gap between humans and machines. Robotics provides AI with physical embodiment, allowing it to interact with the physical world. From manufacturing robots to surgical assistants, robots are transforming industries and enhancing human capabilities. Computer vision gives machines the ability to see and interpret images, enabling applications like self-driving cars and medical image analysis. Through computer vision, AI gains a visual understanding of the world, much like we do. Together, these building blocks form the foundation of artificial intelligence, enabling machines to perceive, learn, reason, and act in increasingly sophisticated ways. Section 4. AI at work transforming industries. AI is no longer a futuristic concept confined to science fiction. It's already at work, transforming industries and revolutionizing our lives in countless ways. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop new drugs, diagnose diseases earlier, and provide personalized treatment plans. Imagine a world where AI assists doctors in making faster and more accurate diagnoses, saving countless lives. In finance, AI is powering fraud detection systems, automating trading algorithms, and providing personalized financial advice. AI-driven chatbots are transforming customer service, providing instant support and resolving queries efficiently. The entertainment industry is also being reshaped by AI, with personalized recommendations, and even AI-generated content becoming increasingly prevalent. Transportation is on the cusp of a revolution, thanks to AI. Self-driving cars, powered by AI algorithms, promise to make our roads safer and more efficient. AI is also optimizing traffic flow, reducing congestion and making transportation systems smarter. These are just a few examples of how AI is being applied across various sectors. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications to emerge, touching every aspect of our lives. Section 5. The ever-evolving landscape of AI. The journey of AI has just begun. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, we can expect to witness an explosion of creativity and innovation. New breakthroughs in AI research are emerging at an unprecedented pace, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The continuous evolution of AI raises profound questions about the future of work, the ethical implications of intelligent machines, and the very definition of intelligence itself. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it's crucial to navigate these questions with care and foresight. The future of AI is a tapestry woven with threads of promise and uncertainty. It holds the potential to solve some of humanity's greatest challenges, but it also demands responsible development and thoughtful consideration of its implications. As we stand on the brink of this technological revolution, one thing is certain. The journey of AI is an adventure that will continue to shape our world for generations to come.